South Carolina, Darlington, Dillon, Florence, Marion, Marlboro, and Williamsburg. Remember, a southeastern Calhoun County in central South Carolina, southern Clarendon County in central South Carolina, southeastern Orangeburg County in central South Carolina, until 11:30 a.m. At 10:45 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Santee State Park to 7 miles north of Bowmanton near Reevesville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Holly Hill, Somerton, Bowman, Gallery, Santee State Park, Santee Cooper Regional Airport, Santee, Cameron, Utoville, Vance, Poplar Creek Landing, St. Paul, Stumpole Landing, Rocks Pond Campground and Marina, Yonder Field, Foreston, Utah Springs, Indian Bluff Recreation Park, Davis Station, and Blount's Landing. This includes the following highways: Interstate 26 between mile markers 151 and 169. Interstate 95 between mile markers 85 and 114. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 p.m. for central South Carolina. Severe thunderstorm watch number 51 remains in effect until 5 p.m. for the following counties in South Carolina.